In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run multiple Dropbox accounts simultaneously on Windows. If you juggle personal and work files, or you manage different team spaces, this setup makes life much easier by letting you use both accounts side by side without constantly signing in and out. Here's the key thing to know up front. Dropbox allows you to link a Dropbox business account with a personal account on the same computer. That's how we'll get two accounts running at once. If you're using only personal accounts, this specific linking option won't appear. Start by making sure Dropbox is running. Look for the Dropbox icon in your Windows taskbar at the bottom right. If you don't see it right away, click the small up arrow to reveal hidden icons. Click the Dropbox icon to open the Apps panel, then click your profile avatar in the top right of that panel. From the menu that opens, choose Preferences. In the Preferences window, head to the Account tab. Here, you'll see an option that says Add Account. Click that. You'll be prompted to sign in to your second Dropbox account. Use your business or personal credentials depending on what you're linking. If you have extra security like two-step verification enabled, complete those prompts too. When you're done, Dropbox will connect both accounts on your device. After setup, open File Explorer. You'll see two separate Dropbox folders, each clearly labeled, one for your business account and one for your personal account. From here, you can access, organize, and sync files from both accounts at the same time. You can even drag and drop between the two folders to move or copy files without switching logins. A few helpful tips. If you don't see the Add Account button, make sure your Dropbox desktop app is up to date, then try again. Remember, this feature is designed for one business account plus one personal account. Each account keeps its own settings and storage, and you can manage preferences like pausing sync or adjusting selective sync independently for each one. Keep an eye on your local disk space since syncing two accounts can use more storage. And if you ever need to disconnect one, you can return to the Account tab in Preferences to unlink it safely. That's it. You've linked your Dropbox business and personal accounts and can now work from both in a single Windows session with no extra hassle. If this was helpful, give the video a like, subscribe for more practical tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.